Yeah, it looks like fun. Used to do a lot of that in my younger days. So had some wind, and it snapped off my top section of my twin 50-watt solar panel array back here. This little laundry drying rack that I'm using. Snapped it right off there. Check that out. I should have folded the darn thing down, but I was lazy. But it just snapped off true right there. There's no way I'm going to be able to fix this or want to fix it. The solar panel itself is fine. And these are really good solar panels, by the way. These little Uxel or Moohoo, whatever they are. And hopefully with this 30% tariff on Chinese panels coming into this country, prices won't be affected too bad. I think in the short term it's going to be kind of rough, but in the long term the industry is so strong. It's my 12-2 landscaping wire with MC4 connectors, 25 feet, going to my garden pond solar generator. This thing's been running great too. And I just got it hooked up with a little PWM solar charger here into the 12-volt power socket, just for additional power. I've already got 300 watts hooked up to this garden pond solar generator. And I'm also repainting the outlet cover. Just a little satin black. Just squirt a little rattle can on it. No big deal. It's warm enough and sunny enough and dry enough. But I want to show you something else real quick here. So I got some stickers in. I ordered them, and they finally came in from Greece, of all places. Some of these old aircraft, Air Force stuff. Rescue! Open up! Yeah! Just kind of being goofy with all this. And now I'm going to show you something else here real cool. And of course, the post-1947 aircraft marking on the back. I think that is the coolest thing. And also check out this 10-gauge SAE connector to MC4 adapter cable I rigged up. And then I hooked it into my 12-2 landscaping wire that goes out to my Renogy 100-watt solar panel. And this was fine during the wind event. Really good panel. All right, guys, going to wrap this up. Got some things going on here, so stay tuned. Check this out.
Trucking.